Hello everyone. So in this video today, I'll be giving a quick introduction on how you can get started playing the Axie Infinity game. So just a quick introduction, Axie Infinity is a blockchain based game where you can earn digital assets which you can then change or turn into real cash. To start playing the game, you must first download the Ronin wallet. The Ronin wallet is a digital wallet where you can store your non-fungible and your fungible tokens earned from the Axie Infinity universe. To download the wallet, you must first go to axieinfinity.com. I'll be leaving a link of it down in the description below. Then you click on Getting Started, Get Started, and here you'll be given several options to download the Ronin wallet. You can download it in the form of an extension on your browser, or you can download it in the form of an app from the App Store. Since I'm using the Chrome browser, I just click on Chrome. And since I've already downloaded the Ronin wallet, I won't be able to download it again. However, if it's first time that you download the Ronin wallet, there will be a clear instructions on how you can download it. You'll also be given a 12-word seed phrase. Just remember to keep the 12-word seed phrase safe, because you'll need the 12-word seed phrase to recover the account in the event that you lost your account. Once you have downloaded the Ronin wallet, you can bookmark it by going on the top right hand corner over here by clicking this icon and clicking on the pin. See, if I click here, it will appear right at the top right hand corner together with my other wallets. Once I've downloaded the Ronin wallet, then I'll have to transfer Ethereum into the wallet in order for me to purchase my first Axies. To start playing the game, you're required to purchase a minimum of 3 Axies from the marketplace. You can purchase your Ethereum to fund your wallet from one of the exchanges. My first advice is for you to use Binance.com, where there is a gas-free bridge for you to transfer your Ethereum assets into your Ronin wallet for free. Otherwise, you'll have to use the Ronin bridge, which you'll have to pay the Ethereum gas fee, which can cost you around $150 in transfer fees or gas fees. To get to the Ronin bridge, if you are unable to use Binance.com, click on Marketplace from the axieinfinity.com website, then click on the 4 buttons right over here, then click on Bridge. Here, then click on Deposit. Then you'll have to link your MetaMask wallet to the Ronin Sky Mavis ecosystem. If you do not have the MetaMask wallet, I suggest that you download the wallet. The steps are similar to downloading the Ronin wallet. You have to go to metamask.io. I'll leave a link of it in the description as well, and just follow the instructions on how to download. So once you have your wallet linked to the Ronin bridge, what you can do is go to your Ronin wallet, copy the address of your Ronin wallet, copy it to here, then click the assets which you want to transfer. In this case, I would like to transfer Ethereum. Then click the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, just click on next, then you approve the gas transaction, and then you'll have the Ethereum inside your Ronin wallet. Okay, now is the fun part. Once you have Ethereum in your Ronin wallet, you have to purchase your first Axies. To purchase your first Axies, go again to axieinfinity.com, click on Marketplace, and once you are in the Marketplace, just click on the top left hand corner, this button, and then you have to pick your first 3 Axies. My advice is for you to pick a pretty good Axie. You can try to find information on what constitutes a good Axie from online YouTube tutorials or the Axie Infinity Discord chat, where there are certainly people who can advise you on what type of Axies you can get. The better Axies will give you a higher rate of return when playing the game. So after you have purchased your 3 Axies, then you will have to download the game. To download the game, go back to axieinfinity.com, and this time round at the top right hand corner, click on Play Now. It will automatically download the app into your computer. And once you have downloaded it, for Mac users, you have to drag the Mavis Hub application into the applications folder. Then once you open the Mavis Hub after it's installed, you'll reach this interface. There will be a install button. Click on install, then afterwards just click on play, and then your game will load and you'll be inside the Axie Infinity game. If you are unable to see your Axies which you have just bought immediately from the marketplace, do not panic. Just click on the bottom left hand corner on Axies, then click on sync Axies. It may take a little while, and then you'll be able to see the Axies you have just bought right over here. Then feel free to play the game and earn some cash. I hope this tutorial helps. If you think it helps as well, please do leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can leave a comment as well, because it will really help. So in that case, I'll end off this video, and have a nice day.